morning. We are excited. We are ready to head from the King's Cross station down to the Heathrow station so we can catch our Polaris flight. We get to spend hopefully 4 hours, maybe a little less, in the Polaris lounge. We're hoping to take showers, maybe see a nap room, get some breakfast for sure. Yeah, just relax and have a good time before we get on our flight.
About to leave, already packing.
Yeah. Last full day in London, headed out to the London Heathrow Airport so we could get on the United Polaris Lounge.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So, if you know anything about the London transportation system, it goes deep, deep, deep underground. With all this luggage, we were taking the lift to different places. And once we got down to the train, there was one sitting there, so we took it thinking that it would take us to the airport. It turns out that these trains go two separate ways after Acton Town. Had we stayed on this one, we'd be going the wrong direction. Lucky for us, the train that we need is 1 minute behind this one. So we're just going to get off at Acton Town, and then in a minute we should be going in the right direction. The one we need is right here. And now we're officially off to the lounge.
About to see the world in action.
And it can be what, 27?
32.
Oh, we'll get some more stuff.
No, that is not a pass for you to go shopping.
Welcome to France.
We left France to come here.
Yeah. Are you from France?
Yes, that's why I said that.
So,
How do you say what time is it? Because you just said it in English.
No, I don't know how to say that. I know
Okay.
but I was going to say it's bonjour or bonsoir.
Bonsoir, that's good.
Yeah.
Bonjour,
So,
bonsoir.
I only know like 7 words. I can't. It's not fancy.
yeah.
Merci.
Aperol?
Imperial spirits.
Am I saying it wrong? Aperol? Por favor? It's like the drink, the orange drink. Yeah, it's like a anything.
It's not a French
Is it
word.
French?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's a French.
Irish?
It's
Oh,
Italian.
It's Italian? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, she's great.
She's fantastic.
What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
We don't deserve to be here, but we're very happy that we are. So as you just saw, we got to go through the fast gold track. There weren't many of us there. It still took a while because both Steven and I had to get searched. But anyways, we're back here now, headed to B43 for the Polaris Lounge.
I'm so excited to eat. Haven't eaten yet.
Nope, that's every day.
That's every day.
This is what we waited for.
All right, we have
This the club?
Is this the Polaris?
Welcome to the Polaris United Lounge. So we keep saying that, it's not actually the Polaris Lounge, it's the United Club Lounge, we found out.
So you just come back, there's no appointment here.
Okay.
Turkish, there's even a buffet of gourmet foods. We had a couple of different things. One was katsu curry, which was amazing, and another was local, like a shepherd's pie, which was also delicious. Everything if you want, all types of drinks and foods and snacks, but it's absolutely luxurious. We just took showers, that's why my hair is wet. Okay, so it's been a bit crazy. It's warm in here. I'm gonna take my jacket off. It's humid from all these showers. It's very beautiful. The wallpaper is gorgeous. Huge door, beautiful tile, awesome wand, some great soaps and shampoos and things. Like huge rain shower. And what I will say about this one that I couldn't say about the last one was that the ceiling is good. He gave us extra towels because Steven's on his way. There's potpourri. I don't see like toothpaste. We got a shower. We got hot and sweaty walking with all of our luggage on the subway. So we'll freshen up and we'll see you soon. This is my before hair.
There's a conditioner, shampoo, and a body wash. I do have my own conditioner. We are refreshed. The showers were amazing. It's very, very hot in here, so we want to get out of here. I'm only wearing one pair of socks. I'll explain that later. Or not, because maybe you don't care. Anyways, we're gonna go wait. Our flight board's in 20 minutes. All right, let's go. It's a great way to unwind before your flight. And it's like a little vacation before you even start your travels, before you even go on vacation or whatever you're doing. It's wonderful. The only problem here is you might not want to leave. Unfortunately, we have another 5 minutes and then we're gonna head to our gate so we can board early and just spend as much time as we can in our amazing first class, what's called business class, but to me it's a first class seat because it has a bed. All right, see you on board.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
What did you think?
I loved it. I didn't love it as much as I loved the Polaris Lounge in Chicago. That had an A+. But this one was still an A, of course. The food selection was okay. Lots of drinks, amazing waters and flavored juices. Blueberry juice. It was relaxing. I just wish we could have stayed longer.
Miss out.
We got some goodies for the flight attendants. Just a little thank you.
I'm done living life with the lights out.
Shoulders. Ah, terrible.
With my own doubts.
Perfect.
So on every Polaris flight, they give you these little slippers so you can get around the cabin. Individually wrapped. Just for you. Hard as hell to get into. They're thin, 1 time use only. Pretty firm. Nice grip on the bottom. Comfy. Good for about 6-7 hours.
Oh, it's too small.
As you can see, they don't have Steven size.
They don't have one size fits all.
Oh, put them on.
Yeah.
Pull them on and walk around this cabin.
Do it. Do you like how big that seat is?
Yeah.
So much leg room. Last time I had that seat and I thought this is great. And found out Steven has the smaller ankle. So we switched this.
So much leg room.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Bunch of Babylon. Okay, this is the Polaris seat 1F. It's the first seat right underneath the Polaris sign. There's Elaine sitting across from me putting up her stuff. Just the seat itself. It's pretty spacious. It's one of the most spacious ones on the plane. Get a whole bottle of water, a hanger for your clothes, a full TV with everything that you need, push and pull out, tray table. Basically the seat for like 3 people. You pay to control the TV with this handy dandy remote. Which gives you access to everything.
I think you probably will too. It will help out when our sleep
You get this away package, which I already opened, but I'm sure that Elaine's going to give you a detailed view of this.
We have some welcome champagne and another, they've changed a little bit, but awake amenities kit. Let's see what's in here. They're adorable. We always love the away bags. We have, oh, there was a pen. I dropped it. Some socks. They look a little different this time as well. Blue stripes. Blue, no stick, no slidey. Some tissues. I didn't pack mine this time because I knew they would have them. New face mask. Steven has been using ours all year. Earplugs. I do use these, so I'll stick these under my TV. My favorite part, the toothbrush and toothpaste, and it's more than you expect. So last time I waited till morning to brush my teeth, and now I know there's enough. I can do it a couple of times on the flights before we land. We have this little kit that I don't think I opened last time, so let's just get in here. I'm in a smaller seat, so it's harder to do this time. Steven has the nice big seat
if you're looking for a travel hack. The 1F has the most foot room of all the seats. All right, so I have a facial cleansing cloth, which I'm going to use to take my makeup off. Some hand cream, which I'm going to use now, because after taking that shower, I realized we didn't have any lotion with us. Lip balm, fantastic. And dun 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 dun, face creams. Wash my face, moisturize my face, and then hopefully they have the spritz in the bathroom, because that is my absolute favorite thing. It feels so good. So we'll wash, we'll lotion, we'll spritz. It's going to be fantastic. For now, I'm just going to enjoy my welcome champagne and settle in and get ready for this flight.
So here are all the buttons so you can control the seat. This one moves the seat back and forward. This does the leg in and out. And then if you lay it out, oh yeah. This is gonna be me in about 20 minutes. This does the lumbar support or up and down. And this is the lights. And this is to turn everything off so you can go to sleep. Great selection. All the foot room I would ever need in here, which is good because I'm a pretty tall guy. My shoes are down there. My slippers don't fit, but that's okay too. We'll work with that. I have outlets that are both American and English. USBs, headphone jacks. Get your own little light here and get your own little storage locker, which I've already put some stuff for Elaine and I. We got our own little set of headphones, noise canceling, so we can knock out the plane noise as we go. And then the seat itself has a little strap up top and then seat belts, and it's pretty cool.
For dinner service, everyone is served a salad of mixed greens with Greek feta cheese, hard-boiled eggs, and sunflower seeds, drizzled with delicious lime and yogurt dressing. Stephen ordered the chicken breast with tomato harissa, chickpea ragout, roasted Hokkaido pumpkin, and onions. I had the braised beef short rib with red wine and green mustard sauce, macaroni and cheese gratin, and roasted root vegetables. This is so cute. For dessert, we each had the cheesecake with Prosecco. Stephen went the extra mile and had his drizzled with melted chocolate. It is 6:20. We're having dessert. We've been on the plane for about 2 hours now. Well, we've been on this plane for about 3 hours. Takeoff was 2 hours ago. And so far everything's going great. Hello! I am getting ready to go to sleep. Have my little kit, the stuff that came in it. And I'm just gonna use that and some of this face mist and hand cream. Get ready for bed. My cleansing facial cloth. Oh, it smells like mint. Oh, let that dry. I'm very excited about this. It's so cute, so tiny. Oh. It's definitely pressurized. Put it all in my hands because I got way too much. I want to put some of the chapstick on, but first I'm going to brush my teeth. I love that the toothbrush also has a cover. And last but not least, some chapstick. Oh, actually, not even last. There's no good chapstick faces there. Oh, my favorite is this refreshing spray. So I'm just going to put a little bit on. Probably won't go to sleep. I'm super excited. We use way too many points and things on this plane for me to be able to just go to bed. Good night. Night, Stephen. I will probably see you at breakfast. We like to watch the same movie on the flight. We were way too full from the delicious dinner and dessert to try any of the overnight snacks. Because it was an earlier flight, landing around 7 p.m., they served more of a lunch menu instead of breakfast. Stephen ordered the Wellington burger. It was a beef patty wrapped in a pastry. We hadn't seen anything like it before. I ordered the herb and citrus couscous with Mediterranean-style grilled vegetables and pesto sauce. Both meals came with a variety of fresh fruit. But if I had to do it again, I would order the beef Wellington with Stephen. Couscous and vegetables just wasn't what I was in the mood for. It did feel like breakfast time.
about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
All right, we are here in Newark. The flight was pretty good, a little turbulence, but otherwise it was great, and it went by pretty fast. So now we just need to get our bags, and maybe we have to go through customs, but I have to do this check-in thing for global entry. I'll tell you about that more later. All right, but we're here, we made it, we're back in the US of A. So strong. We may have to repack these bags. So this one might. Oh, here's mine. This one's super heavy.
Got it.
That's weird. Oh, that one has priority. Okay, we're tired. If you can't tell by the crazy hair, it's been a long travel day. We love travel days, but they're exhausting. So we didn't sleep on the Polaris flight at all, even though we had beds. But we made it here. We are in the Newark Airport in New Jersey, and we've had a couple issues. They've changed our gate like 3 times already. And we're at that point of just like delirious. But we got through customs, we checked all our bags back in, and now we're here at the gate. So we should be boarding in about 10 minutes. It's a what, 2-hour flight? Hour and a half, 2-hour flight?
Hour and a half.
And by tonight, we should, like 11:59 p.m., right before tomorrow, we should be landing in Savannah. And then we will head to our hotel. So we booked that 100% on Marriott points. We can tell you about how to do that later. But for now, we're gonna just sit, relax, and wait to board our final flight until we are done for the day.
I'm done living life with the lights out.